Hello and welcome to tribetopper.com, and you're watching this video on solving past paper problems for physics. In this problem you can see when you read the question it says that in an experiment to determine the speed of sound in the air, a tube that is open at the top is filled with water and a vibrating tuning fork is held over the tube as the water is released through a valve. An increase in intensity in the sound is heard for the first time when the air column length is x, and the next increase is heard when the air column length is y. The only thing you need to figure out here is this is the case of an of a closed end pipe where one end is closed. This is a closed end pipe where one end is closed. So if one end is closed and what we are doing, when they say that it is a loud sound is heard for the first time, that's when the first harmonic is formed, and the second is the case of next time the loud sound is heard is the second harmonic. And as per the formulas you have done for closed end pipes that relates the length of the air column and the wavelength, they are for the first harmonic, you have for the first harmonic we have the relation of the wavelength and the length to be the lambda 1 is 4 times L, where L is the length of the air column. Now here in this case my length of the air column is x, this is marked, so lambda 1 is 4 times x. And for the second harmonic, so what should we do? For the second harmonic, the formula turns out to be that you have to remember that the formula is lambda 2 is equal to 4 by 3 times L, and for the second harmonic the length is y, this one, therefore the lambda 2 is equal to 4 by 3y. So the option B, which picks up A and 3, that is your right answer. I hope you've understood it. Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at tribetopper.com.